Hi divas, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so happy and excited to meet with you girls. I have an unboxing video. It's so fun to do the unboxings. So if you want to join me for a Kurt Geiger unboxing, come on aboard the channel, stick with me, hit like and subscribe. Let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's jump right in. So here's the lovely box right here. And this was the way it was delivered to me, you guys. And I have a lovely Kurt Geiger item. Let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. There's the lovely item inside. So the name of this item is the Soho chain wallet. It's in, well, you'll see the color when I open it. You can kind of see it peeking out right there, but it's the Soho chain wallet and it's an evening bag. And I thought this would be really, really cute for like date night or just to go out. I'm really into smaller handbags right now, crossbodies. I think they just come so in handy on my off days when I'm running errands or if I'm at the mall. So let me go ahead and open this beauty so we could start enjoying her. Let me tell you guys, this bag was, you know how when you're online and you're looking like at Macy's or Nordstrom rack online and they have all the bags lined up on the different, lines as you're scrolling through online at the different pages. If you're looking for Coach, if you're looking for Kurt Geiger, this bag was right at the top row on the end. So it was like right at the top row on the end. And then the cart, my shopping cart was like right here. So this bag just kind of it just kind of jumped and hopped into my shopping cart, you guys. So, I mean, that's my excuse and I'm sticking with it. But here she is right here. She's so cute. And the color is fire, you guys. I wanted something different and I'll show you guys in a minute. But here it is as I'm unboxing it. Here I am unwrapping it. This color is so pretty. Okay. Here it is. Ah! I know. I love this color for Kurt Geiger, you guys. It's patent leather. Oh, okay. It's so beautiful. Look at how pretty she is. So I just thought this color was so pretty. Now this came in 4 different colors or several different colors online. It came in gold, it came in pink, a pink blush, a gold, and 2 other colors. I was tempted to go with the gold, but then I started thinking that I have other items in that pink blush color and I wanted something different. And I've been a fan of blue bags for a long time. I like incorporating blue handbags into my handbag collection. There was a Michael Kors bag that I had that was blue a couple years back and I enjoyed that bag. So anytime I get a chance to get a rare blue bag, a rarity, I really, really like that. So here it is. And this is going to be able to hold my cell phone. It's wide enough. It's a WOC. It's a wallet on a chain. It'll be able to hold my cell phone as well as keys and other items. So it's not too small. And look at the beautiful eagle head for Kurt Geiger on it right there. And it's the type of patent leather that I like because it doesn't have, it doesn't hold your fingerprints. You know how sometimes patent leather will pick up your fingerprints on some black patent leather bags or some other patent leather. This doesn't show your fingerprints. You can see I'm touching it and it doesn't show the fingerprints. So I like that. She is such a beauty. This is what she looks like inside. And you can see her dust bag right here for Kurt Geiger. And then here's her lovely chain, you guys, gold hardware. This is a beautiful little bag in gold hardware. So here she is right here. She's so pretty with the gold chain and she has a slim back pocket. I don't think I'm going to slide my cell phone in the back because I think it'll be too bulky. I think I'm going to put my cell phone inside when I carry this lovely bag, but she's going to be great for just my cell phone and my keys and maybe a tube of lipstick. And I think it's so, so cute with the gold hardware strap. I'll be able to wear her crossbody. Now, the reason I didn't go with the pink, I had several other pink like WOCs or wristlets. I have these by Victoria's Secret that are a metallic-y color. So that's one reason why I didn't go with the pink blush. It was too similar in color, I believe, to my other pink like patent leather items. So I just wanted something different and I thought the blue would be so pretty. And this blue is going to be so nice when I want to rock her with my Doc Martens. So my Doc Marten Mollies are in patent leather, and here they are right here. And the blue patent leather will look so nice with these Doc Martens. I'm trying to see how I can show you that. The blue patent leather is going to look really, really nice when I want to wear it with my Doc Marten boots. So that's going to be really, really cute together when I want to go ahead and rock these two and wear these two together. So that's all I wanted to talk to you about today, you girls, is my lovely Kurt Geiger WOC. This is the Soho wallet on a chain by Kurt Geiger. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stick with me for more videos on my channel. Love you guys. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye. The heck?